The process of muscle hypertrophy goes far beyond the simple act of lifting weights. It involves meticulous care in various aspects of life, including nutrition, rest, training, and stress management. Understanding the importance of these factors is essential for anyone looking to effectively and sustainably increase muscle mass. Hypertrophy is not just a matter of aesthetics, but also of health and physical performance. Neglecting any of the factors contributing to muscle growth can result in frustration, injuries, and lack of progress. Therefore, adopting a holistic and careful approach is crucial to maximizing results and achieving desired goals. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content about training and nutrition. It's crucial to understand the factors that can interfere with muscle growth and hypertrophy. Let's explore 15 of these factors that might be hindering your gym results. Number 1. Caloric deficit. Consuming fewer calories than your body needs prevents you from having enough energy for muscle synthesis and recovery. A caloric deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body expends. This is common in weight loss regimes, where the goal is to create a negative energy balance, so the body uses its fat reserves as an energy source. However, when the goal is hypertrophy, being in a caloric deficit can be counterproductive. A severe caloric deficit can lead to a drop in energy levels, making workouts less effective. Lack of fuel can make you feel tired, reducing the intensity and quality of your exercises. Muscle building depends on protein synthesis, a process by which the body uses amino acids to repair and build new muscle fibers. Without enough calories, the body may not be able to perform this function optimally. Additionally, after training, the body needs energy to start the muscle recovery process. Being in a caloric deficit can delay recovery, increasing the risk of overtraining and injuries. Number 2. Insufficient protein. Protein is essential for muscle building. Consuming less than 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight can compromise hypertrophy. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissues. Composed of amino acids, it is fundamental for protein synthesis, which is the process by which the body builds new proteins and, consequently, new muscle tissues. To promote hypertrophy, it is recommended to consume 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms should consume between 112 and 154 grams of protein daily. Consuming less protein than recommended can reduce protein synthesis, impair muscle recovery, increase the risk of muscle loss, and decrease performance in workouts. It is important to include a variety of protein sources in the diet, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, seeds, and protein supplements to ensure the body has the necessary amino acids to build and repair muscles. Number 3. Lack of sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery. Sleeping less than 9 hours per night can impair recovery and muscle growth. Sleep is an essential component for muscle recovery and growth. During sleep, the body enters a state of repair and regeneration, crucial for recovering from the micro-injuries caused by exercise. Anabolic hormones, such as growth hormone and testosterone, are released in greater quantities during deep sleep, facilitating protein synthesis and muscle building. Sleeping less than 9 hours per night can have significant consequences for hypertrophy. Lack of sleep reduces the release of these anabolic hormones, compromising the body's ability to repair and build new muscle tissues. Additionally, sleep deprivation increases levels of cortisol, a catabolic hormone that can promote muscle breakdown and hinder protein synthesis. Lack of sleep also impairs muscle recovery by limiting the time the body has to repair damaged muscle fibers. This can lead to prolonged muscle soreness, increased risk of injuries, and decreased performance in subsequent workouts. Inadequate recovery directly affects the ability to train with intensity and consistency, essential for hypertrophy. Furthermore, sleep deprivation negatively impacts the immune system, increasing susceptibility to illnesses and infections, which can disrupt the training routine. Lack of adequate rest also impacts cognitive function, reducing concentration and motivation to train. Number 4. Inadequate training. Training incorrectly, such as using very light weights or not varying exercises, may not sufficiently stimulate muscles for growth. Training inadequately can significantly hinder desired results in muscle development and athletic performance. When very light weights are used during workouts, muscles are not challenged enough to promote the desired growth and strength. Progressive overload, that is, gradually increasing the workload, is essential to stimulate muscle hypertrophy and physiological adaptation. Furthermore, the lack of variation in exercises is also a factor that contributes to inadequate training. The human body is highly adaptable, and when subjected to the same stimuli repeatedly, it tends to adapt, resulting in a plateau in progress. Including a variety of exercises and periodically modifying the training program are fundamental to continue challenging muscles in different ways, thereby promoting continuous growth and improved performance. So, which of these mistakes have you been making? Comment below and share with us. Let's improve our workouts and our health together. Number 5. Inadequate hydration. Water is vital for all bodily functions, including protein synthesis and muscle recovery. Dehydration can reduce performance and slow muscle growth. Adequate hydration is fundamental for all bodily functions, especially for those engaged in intense physical training. Water plays a crucial role in protein synthesis, the process by which the body builds new muscle tissues. Without proper hydration, this process can be impaired, compromising the body's ability to repair and build muscles after exercise. Furthermore, water is essential for muscle recovery. During exercise, muscles suffer micro-injuries that need to be repaired for muscle growth to occur. Adequate hydration ensures that the necessary nutrients for this repair are efficiently transported throughout the body, facilitating recovery and muscle growth. Dehydration can have significant negative effects on physical performance. Even slight dehydration can result in a decrease in muscle strength, endurance, and aerobic capacity. This means that the individual will not be able to train with the same intensity or for as long, which can slow progress and muscle gains. Additionally, dehydration can increase the risk of injuries. Dehydrated muscles are more prone to cramps and strains, which can interrupt training and lead to prolonged periods of inactivity. Number 6. Excessive cardio. Doing too much cardio can burn too many calories and use energy that could be directed toward muscle building. Excessive cardiovascular exercise can have a significantly negative impact on muscle building. Although cardio is essential for cardiovascular health and fat burning, when done in excess, it can consume an excessive amount of calories and energy, which are crucial for muscle growth and maintenance. When practicing too much cardio, the body can enter a catabolic state, where it starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy. This process is counterproductive for those seeking to increase muscle mass, as the energy that could be directed toward protein synthesis and muscle repair is being used to sustain long periods of cardiovascular activity. Furthermore, excessive cardio can lead to a decrease in muscle glycogen stores, which are essential for providing energy during resistance training. Without sufficient glycogen, performance in weight training can be compromised, resulting in lower intensity and training volume, essential factors for muscle hypertrophy. Another point to consider is the impact of excessive cardio on muscle recovery. Intense cardiovascular training can increase cortisol production, a stress hormone that, at high levels, can inhibit protein synthesis and increase muscle breakdown. This can delay recovery and hinder muscle mass gains. To achieve hypertrophy, it is essential to focus not only on proper training, but also on balanced nutrition and a healthy lifestyle. Combining a protein-rich diet, adequate hydration, sufficient sleep, and stress management can maximize your efforts in the gym and help overcome the obstacles that hinder muscle growth. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all the updates. Together, we will achieve our goals healthily and effectively.